good, YouTube? So, your favorite baddie, unicorn, mermaid, princess, Germanybadd with 2 D's is back with another video. Clearly, okay? As y'all can tell by the title, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail, y'all already know what we doing today. Now, this style I came up with 100% in my head, okay? So, this is what I want to really go for. This is my very much elementary style drawing that I did to map out what we're gonna be doing, okay? So in the last style, it was very easy, very simple, and I wanted to kind of revamp that style. You know what I'm saying? Make it even cuter because we started it all the way back here, and today I want to start it closer to the front, like this, like a real crown, okay? So we're going for very much crown, okay? So if you're interested to see how I did what I do, stay tuned. So basically, I decided to like make this real easy and just put this in a little ponytail real quick. So boom, we put this front section that I said I wanted to start with in a little ponytail. So now we're gonna pick out the pieces that we're gonna use. We need the big heart, the middle heart, the 2 side hearts, and the other 2 side hearts. Okay? If you're unfamiliar with me or unfamiliar with my channel and you don't know what I be using this right here. This is silver wire that people wrap their jewelry with, they crystals and all that with. So this is what we're gonna be using. This is what I always use to do my creative lock styles. Now boom, I'm gonna take all those pieces out, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna wrap all those pieces. I'm gonna take those pieces from right here so that I can bring them to the front, or I might take them from this ponytail section. I'm not sure yet. I got my pieces right here. We're gonna take it, we're gonna measure it right here, and we're gonna cut it to the length of it. And then we're gonna make a whole bunch of other pieces the same length. We're gonna make a loop at the top and basically pinch it so that it stay like tight and connected. So put it right at the top, squeeze it. It's not going nowhere now, right? So boom. And then you just wrap it like a soft lock. You just keep wrapping it until you can't wrap no more. So here, this is gonna be our big heart. Then I'm gonna put a little heart in between. All I did was I had to add another one so that I could make the heart big enough, because the heart wasn't gonna be big enough to be able to put a heart inside of it. So boom, we got our initial heart here. Now I'm about to take this piece, I think, and make a little heart with it. I did put 2 bobby pins in the side to keep my heart standing up straight. So we got the heart inside the heart. It might not be perfect, but I'll figure it out. I'll figure that part out. So boom, now we're gonna do the hearts on the side of the main heart. Yes, this is hair art, okay? Hair art. Hair art, okay? So boom, now we got the 2 pieces. We got the 2 side pieces. This is really hair art, okay? Hair art. Okay, so I'm gonna go do something with these two, and then I'm gonna be back. Basically with the hearts, they like super easy because you could just form like basically like a circle. See, I don't have no more bobby pins, so I'm literally just like kind of winging it a little bit. Nobody in this hair art industry is with me. Do you feel me?
Boy, if you don't...
Nobody. Okay, this is fire. Oh my God. Valentine's Day look number 2. Oh yeah, I love it. Okay, with this look, it's nothing I would change about it. I don't want to add anything. I don't want to take anything away. I don't want to change anything. I think it's literally perfect. This is perfection. Okay, I'm feeling it. This is literally perfection. Happy Valentine's Day with my cute hairstyle. Oh my God, Germanybadd. This is creativity at its finest, okay? I drew this look in my notebook and it came out exactly the way it was supposed to. I'm feeling it. I think this is so fire, so intricate. So tomorrow I gotta step it up even another higher level, which is, I don't even know how I'm gonna get to a higher level than this, because this right here is a look, honey. Yes. Okay. I'm feeling it. I hope you feeling it. If you feeling it, leave a comment down below and let me know you feeling it. If you think it's kind of trash, you think it's ugly, you think this is an unrealistic style, then you leave that in the comment too, sis. I want to hear it. Okay? Anyways, make sure, sis, that you stay that bitch, because you already know you that bitch. Don't let no nigga in this whole wide world tell you that you ain't that bitch, because Germanybadd said that you is. So that mean that you is. Okay? Yes. Y'all stay tuned until Valentine's Day, because I'm gonna be dropping the looks on top of looks on top of looks on top of looks on top of looks. Ah. I can't wait to take a picture of the thumbnail for this. This is so fire. I'll be back.